Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Eunice here once again. So first off, well, I'm seeing the wig, but I'm seeing my goodie bag. So let's see what we got for goodies today. I got a pair of HD wig caps. I got this branded Unice elastic headband. Alright, I have these beautiful press-ons. You know, since recent times, Unice is not sending a package without some gorgeous press-ons, so I love that. And then finally in the box, I got the wig, so let's get into it. So today's wig is this gorgeous wig, guys. Oh my gosh, you can see that this is a pre-everything wig, right? So this is Unice's Bye Bye Knots pre-everything glueless 7x5 closure balayage brown lace closure wig, and it is a body wave texture. As you can see, they made sure to do these beautiful curls in it, and the knots are bleached. It's ready to just slip on and go, and it's 150% in density, and it's 24 inches long that we're working with today. In the wig bag, I did receive some of these tips for the lace if you want to use them, if you want extra security. And I also got this adjustable elastic band for the inside of the cap. The hairline portion is already pre-plucked. All right, the hair is super silky, I must say, and I really think it's a beautiful color job. And look at all that space you have working with. Gorgeous, right? I mean, I've shown you guys in a lot of 7x5 closures since recent times, and I love that for us. So this is just another beautiful one added to the list. So you know, they added this non-slip strip in the back of the cap. There's also adjustable bands in the back here, and I love to adjust these to make it a little tighter, like, because I like my wigs very snug, not to the point where I'm getting a headache, but just especially when you're going glueless, you want to just ensure that, you know, everything is well laid on your head. So I usually do this in the back, and then there's one comb in the back as well, and that's the only comb. And then they did add the loops on the inside of the cap for the extra elastic band. So I'm gonna add this inside, and then I'm gonna slip the wig on. It's gonna be so easy. Let's go. So this is how we're looking. It's looking good. So let's just go ahead and slip it on. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is so snugged on my head. Jeez. Oh my gosh, you see those curls? They are gorgeous. I feel like they already styled this wig so beautifully. I really don't have much to do. The first thing I'm gonna go in and do is, obviously you're seeing the cast in the front, so you know, the portion that has absolutely no hair, I like to go in and just cut that off, because I personally, I know some people will leave it on, but I personally, I don't need the lace on the wig if it doesn't have any hair on it at all, and it really helps with minimizing the cast in the front. That is much more minimalistic, and I feel like, guys, don't mind my lashes, I'm gonna be getting them fixed very soon, okay? But I do have on very minimal makeup, like light, so I'm so tempted to comb through these curls. But before I move any further, I'm gonna go ahead and get my powder and top out whichever cast is left.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a
As you can see, I just got my hot comb to further lay the top a little, but that's how we're looking. Guys, can you believe I really don't need to do anything else? Like, I really don't need to do anything else. So I'm loving the look. Look at that fall. It's beautiful. All I want to do is shape my head from side to side. You're gonna see how secure it is too, and also fluff these curls. So let's do that.
Give me a really good feeling all day long.
You see that body? You see that bones? You see that you see the color job? It's actually so stunning. I'm very pleased. It's minimal shedding, by the way. Yes, I've got minimal shedding so far, but we're looking good. Oh, Eunice. It looks really good. It looks really good. The hair is very soft, very silky. As I said before, I can't complain. The body, you see the density? It's 150, but I'm not gonna lie, it's giving 180. It very much is. I can't complain. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think. And to know that, you know, this is exactly how I got it out the package. Like, I barely did anything. All you saw I do was go ahead, remove the extra lace that had no hair on it, and use my powder to just blend down the front a little bit more, and voila, here we are. Shake the hair from side to side, fluff it a little bit more, and we're here. Yeah, man. Eunice continues to up their game, and I love it. The wigs are of great quality. I highly recommend. Shout out to them. You guys don't know, I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and check it out if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself or somebody else. All the specifications will be listed, all that good stuff. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos. Until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.